Hello guys, el día de hoy estuvimos trabajando with the page number 102 and 103, páginas 102, 103, and it's this page right here. And the first exercise is this one. We have to listen to the audio and we have to follow the road and see where we stopped and just to check the number in the letter where we stopped. Okay, so ready, let's go.
Where did you go last weekend? I went to the beach. Where did you go? I went to the shopping mall. What did you do at the beach? I went surfing in the waves. Cool. Did you buy anything at the mall? Yes, I did. I went to a toy shop and bought a doll for my little sister. Did you stay at the beach all weekend? Yes, we did. We stayed at a campsite. Did you eat there? Yes, there was a bakery near the campsite. We bought sandwiches there. Did you have a picnic? Yes, we had a picnic on the beach. We bought some fruit from a grocery store. Awesome! Yes, it was. And after that, we went on a boat trip. Sounds like you had a great weekend.
Boat trip. I think that's the end. Okay, so let's check it out. If you follow the road, there is 1D. 1D. Okay, well, next activity number 2. These are read and complete. Use the references to write the words. Ok, ahí no se alcanza a ver muy bien, pero miren, ok, tienen entre paréntesis C4, C2, B5, todas esas references para que ustedes puedan escribir lo que debe de ir en estas líneas. Dice, hi grandma, I'm having an awesome time on vacation. Or C4. ¿Cuál es C4? C4. Aquí está. Uy, es el campsite. Entonces, pues vamos a escribirle ahí. Our campsite is near the beach. Ok. Esa es la forma de contestar esto. Tienen que ver el código que tienen aquí. Activity number 3, ese se las dejé de tarea. Homework is the same thing. Van a ir escribiendo en cada línea. You have to write in each line what is on C1, que hay en ese, B3, D4, C5, and B2. And at the end, ustedes van a checar la secuencia, the sequence of this number 1, 2, and 3, and you have to decide which one doesn't belong there. ¿Cuál es la que no pertenece a la secuencia? Okay, you have to circle it. Y esa es su tarea. That's the homework. Y esto fue lo que estuvimos haciendo el día de hoy. Nos vemos el día de mañana para continuar con nuestras clases y con nuestra actividad del Día de las Madres. Okay, Mother's Day. We are going to make a Mother's Day card. Así que nos vemos el día de mañana. Tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later. Bye, bye.